What up? What up? What is up, y'all? It's your girl Patty, and welcome to my channel, Patty Locksin. Okay, so today is the day I'm getting my first retwist since I got in my starter locks. 3 weeks. I know. I mean, it looks like it could get retwisted. I mean, I think there's some growth. I think there's some type of little growth. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what to expect when I go to the loctician because she doesn't know I took out the part and did it myself. So it will be interesting to compare her interlocks to my interlocks. So she might hate on it or she might love it. Who knows? I don't know. Anyway, so this is the before. And no? Okay. Anyway, this is the before. Let's go and get my retwist. Ah! Wash out.
It's pretty soft, it's water based.
Okay. Water based. You got it? I got it. Alright guys, so this is the moment of truth. Her reaction to my interlocks. So let's see. So did I do a good job? From a loctician herself.
It looks really good though.
Yeah.
You did the 4-point?
Yes. So I started off from the front to the back, and then right to the left. Alright. She liked it. I mean, it wasn't much of a reaction, but she liked it, so I'm happy. Are you finished? Oh wow. Alright guys, we just came out of the train. Oh my god, it is snowing and it is beautiful. I mean, this is New York snow and this is what we need, you know. We haven't had snow in a minute. So we're gonna get some food. Maybe from there I could talk about my whole experience getting my first retwist ever. And we're actually gonna do something crazy. We are going to, are you ready, Natalia? You wanna say it?
We're gonna go sledding.
Yes, we're gonna go sledding. I mean, I'm a kid inside, you know. Why not? It's gonna be fun. Haven't done that in a long time. So I'm gonna go sledding. And first, I need to go eat. Alright, so we are here about to eat, and I wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on me getting my retwist. Now remember, this is my first retwist ever. I haven't gotten a retwist. I interlocked my hair, and now I just retwisted it for the first time. And this is what it looks like. Okay. So this is it. It's a bit stiff right now, but my hair grew about a half an inch, so this is what it looks like. And I feel like some hairs are like sticking, like this one is probably sticking out. This is actually the one I didn't tell you guys. I'm not sure if I told you, but this is the one that I actually instant lock. I was just playing around with it. So this is the only one I instant lock, and this one a little bit. Just the last part is what I instant lock. And yeah, this is my hair. This is it. It was like she did it within an hour. It was so quick, so quick. She was done in an hour, and I went under the dryer as you saw in the video, and it was quick. It was hot under there, but it was quick. And I just love it. I love my loctician, and she's honestly the best. And I don't think I will go to somebody else. I'm constant. I definitely will go back to her. Obviously, I'm gonna experiment a little bit on my own, but she's the best. Definitely check her out. Her Instagram will be in the description box. And yeah, this is what I got so far. I mean, what do you guys think? It grown a lot. I like it. I don't know about what you think, but I like it. So, anyway, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please support your girl by sharing the video, comment, like, subscribe, and of course, ring that bell for notifications. Patty out. That is what our Saturday looks like. And that's Natalia right there. Say hi, Natalia! Oh my god, this is so much fun. And locks, oh god, the locks. Oh!
Yeah? You ready?
No! Alright.
Want me to push you?
Oh
Oh,
god.
you got it. Woo! Go, Patty! Go, Patty!